we're going to look at exactly how to promote yourself and how to start taking commissions. So first of all, how do you know you're ready for commissions? Getting ready for commissions involves just getting a grasp on the basics and even the intermediate stuff. And once you can really sit down, make a system, and you can go ahead and start taking commissions for simple systems. Now, it's going to be difficult. It's not going to be easy, but you can absolutely do it. And one issue that I want to bring up with scripting commissions is that you also need kind of good visuals to go along with it to go ahead and market it. So right here, I've gone ahead on Twitter and I've searched up Roblox scripting commissions. And as you can see, one of the first things we see is like some really insane VFX being used and some really good stuff. That isn't scripting, right? Part of it is spawning it in, but they didn't make that VFX. Or at least they made the VFX, but you probably wouldn't make the VFX in most cases. This is a rare case, but so you do need to have some good visuals. You need to have a good way to show it, which can be difficult now, unless the system that you're scripting for somebody already has visuals. Of course, maybe it's not necessary, but it's going to really help you be seen on Twitter, especially with this kind of thing. They're getting noticed mostly for the VFX being so good. It shows up on your screen. And you're like, whoa, that's awesome. But yeah, now I'm going to look at exactly how you can replicate this kind of success. So he has 45 likes right here and 1,787 views on his tweet. And as you can see, this one has a little bit less. They made sure to mention that their commissions are open in the post. You can join the Discord to buy, things like that. So they're posting their work and they have their system. So this one right here, this is a system, and he's gone ahead and he's posted this on Twitter and he's showing his furniture placing system. We have another one here. This one is a commission sheet. And as you can see, this didn't get that much attention because, well, you don't really see anything here. That's probably part of it. Although you never know, they might have gotten some DMs. As you can see, there's really not that much to the marketing of your systems, and videos can do best. Now, I would recommend having a commission sheet that you pin to your profile so that you can show your work and your prices and how to contact you. And then I would go ahead and link your contact inside of your profile as well. So this person, they have a Discord server where they take orders or they sell their things, and then they also have their portfolio in there. So they've kind of grown their own little community that they go ahead and have commissions from. And you can absolutely do this if you'd like. However, just linking your Discord name and tag is going to be enough. All right, so now we are on my Discord because we're going to look at how to get commissions on Discord. So Discord is, lower down in the ranks on how good it is at getting you commissions because you get a lot lower quality clients. You get scams, all kinds of stuff in Discord servers. And I'm not saying mine's immune to this, but it definitely is a lot less toxic than a lot of the other Discord servers. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scroll down to our looking for devs section. And in here, we can go ahead and find some jobs, some small jobs, some small commissions in here. This one right here is 6,000 Robux for a car chassis. Yeah, so as you can see, they're a little bit lower pay on Discord, but there are some good ones in here, especially when you're starting out. You can get some decent commissions on Discord. Of course, you have to be a lot more careful and you should prepare. All right, here we are at the Talent Hub, talent.roblox.com. And this is where you can find a little bit better jobs and you can get paid a lot better. And you can also filter it by the amount that you can get paid. So we can filter it by Robux, USD, percentage split. You can do a full-time, part-time, commission. So yeah, let's go to USD. Let's see if there's anything super high paying in here. $500. Let's see. All right. So this person's asking for their entire scripting. All right. And on the Talent Hub, you can go ahead and find jobs, and you can also create your creator page, and you can go ahead and show your work that you had in the past. Now, I haven't updated mine in a long time, but you can go ahead and get people actually asking you to work. Let's see here. I've been invited to this, and this, what is the pay on this? 50% plus $1,000. So that's pretty good, huh? So this looks like a little bit of a classic game. Looks pretty interesting. Now, it has different traps, weapons, enemies, short puzzles, mini boss fights, 8 full stages. This is neat. So it looks like a classic game. It's pretty awesome. All right, so that's the basics of how to promote yourself and how to get commissions. We're going to go more in depth as we go. And your task is to go ahead and set up at least one profile, particularly Twitter. And you're going to go ahead and make a few posts showing some of your work And also, I recommend creating a commission sheet, which you can actually see the video on how to do that, which should be linked below this lesson. Let me know once you've done that in the Discord server, and I'll go ahead and take a look and review it once I have time.